And yesterday when I got out during the late morning hours, it was still so warm.
Yeah.
Today, if we are going to any outdoor activities, outdoor pickup, we're looking pretty good. We're actually going to feel pretty comfortable compared to yesterday. And we're also going to have lower humidity, which is going to make a huge difference. Let's get you out the door right now, though. You're probably looking at these temperatures saying it's not cool at all. Well, that's exactly right. We're still mild this morning with most of our temperatures in the 70s, though we do have a couple of pockets of upper 60s in Marion County. And along our I-95 locations, we're waking up the temperatures in the middle 70s. That is all thanks to winds around 15 miles per hour directly out of the east. So our I-95 locations are warm this morning, but going into the afternoon, it's not going to be that warm. Temperatures today reach the low 80s, couple of pockets of mid 80s back towards the west of the metro, and our winds today pick up around 15 to 25 miles per hour. So we'll have breezy conditions, cooler conditions, and low humidity. Right now, we are waking up to mostly clear conditions, a couple of clouds along our coast, and that's really all we're looking at for today. But I am keeping a very small isolated rain chance in the forecast now through about 4 o'clock. But most of us today are going to be sunny and dry. Same thing tomorrow with temperatures in the 70s and 80s. But then by tomorrow night into Friday morning, this is when we'll have our next cold front move in, bringing in a couple of showers and then dropping high temperatures even more. By Friday, we're dropping down to 79. Saturday, the coolest day of the week at 77 degrees. Now, I do want to talk about the tropics because we're not done with hurricane season yet. There is a tropical wave in the Caribbean that could become a tropical depression in the next couple of days. And then from there, some further development is expected through the weekend. Now, models are making this go towards the west and then hang out in the Caribbean all the way through the weekend, where it is expected to strengthen. And then starting early next week, beginning to lift north, passing over the Yucatan Peninsula, and then curving towards the state. But notice some models showing it going directly into the peninsula, while others showing it going into the panhandle. And it's all thanks to a cold front. There's going to be a developing front that works through the Rockies early next week. And then depending on how quickly this front dips down to the south, plays a huge role on where the system goes. If the front is faster, this is going to push the storm directly into the peninsula. If the front is lower, we have a better chance of seeing this low or the storm move into the panhandle of Florida. So we still need to time that out, but we do need to watch this very closely. And that timing, if it were to go into the peninsula, will be Tuesday into Wednesday. Some models are a little bit quicker than others. So still some details to fine tune, but I absolutely want to put this on your radar. We're watching that front for those big impacts of whether this goes towards the peninsula or the panhandle. But for now, we're over the next 7 days looking at a relatively dry and comfortable stretch.